Hi guys, this is Poncho Player 202 and welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, but it is the Christmas season. I've been with family and stuff, and I have an issue with recording gaming videos at the moment that I will explain to you. But today's video is going to be on my bike. We're going to do some more modifications to it that I have received for Christmas, and I will show you those in a minute. I just want to go over that I took my bike in for a service way back in October. The last video I did on my bike was in September, so I'm just going to explain that to you. They checked the chain, they tightened the brakes and everything, tyres, all just a general service, and it all seemed fine. But they noticed that when I had the accident, it loosened this brake line here. See, that goes, this little bit you can pull out in there. That then needs to tighten that back up because that wasn't working to its full functionality. But everything else is good, and we did say I would need to change the brake pads fairly soon, so that might be coming up as well, along with more modifications I'm thinking of buying myself. Obviously I received these ones for Christmas that I'll show you in a minute, but we might have some new wheels, brake pads, chain pieces maybe, and I'm thinking get some fender things here, because every time I go out on a wet ride I end up with all mud splattered down my back, which isn't the best. But yeah, so let's show you guys the modifications. If we go into the garage, so here they are, just a couple, but I'm hoping that I can make a video out of it, because I need to get something out for you guys. I can't keep on making excuses. But this I didn't get for Christmas, but I got way back in my birthday, and I haven't used it yet, but this might come in handy today. I'm not sure what fittings we need for these modifications, but it's a bike multi-tool, lots of different fittings, and I've got the screwdriver to help us fit it. Anyway, this is a clip-on to our screw-on stand for my bike, because I often check my navigation when I'm going places. I often go down to Westminster or something from here, which is about a half-an-hour ride. And I often need to pull over to check where I'm going if I'm going something slightly different that I don't normally need to go, and my bike does not come with a stand, so this will be very useful. And the more exciting thing is this multi-function light. It has indicators and a little touchpad here, which I love cars obviously, so that would be really cool. Brake light, warning light, indicators, all of that good stuff. So let me just explain to you for a minute my issue with recording gaming videos before we get on with this video. So I record with a memory stick through my recorder, and the memory stick has to be a certain size to record videos, otherwise it won't work. I've got a smaller memory stick and a bigger memory stick. Originally the bigger memory stick I would use for recording, but then PE coursework was introduced in school and I had to use a memory stick for that. So I started off using the small memory stick, but then that broke within the first couple of weeks. So then, because schoolwork kind of overruns videos for importance, it's more important to do. I had to then use my bigger memory stick as a replacement, and now I do not have a memory stick for recording. So I'm hoping I got some Xbox vouchers for Christmas as well, so we might buy something on Forza, like a pack or an add-on or something like that, and show you guys a video on that. But I'm either going to have to buy another memory stick, or I'm going to have to see if I can make space for my school one. But either way, I'm going to try and get a gaming video out in the next week or so for you guys. And by the way, I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas. I certainly did. And New Year is just around the corner as well, but hopefully I have some more videos out for you before then, so let's go and unbox this stuff. Okay guys, so we're just about to unbox this stuff. It's pretty cold out this morning, 11:13, so I'm all wrapped up, but I wanted to get out and do this video early so I can do Xbox, and I also got another very epic present for Christmas that I'm going to try and find something to connect it to in the garage afterwards. So I also need time to do that today. I might do a video on it. If I find what I need, I might play you a few pieces. That's your only clue you're getting. We won't unbox this unless we need it. First I'm going to do the bike stand, because it's cool, but the bike light is cooler. So I do the less cool thing first. It's another kind of DIY video this. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, another funny story actually guys, for my tripod that I used to record the Skoda Octavia VRS review, and thank you for all the support on that. That's got over 500 views, thank you so much. I do want to be a motoring journalist, automotive journalist when I'm older. So thank you for all the support on that. So I was filming it with my dad, and I left it there as he was about to pull through. We were doing a filming setup. He helped me a lot, so shout out to him. I left it in the middle of the kind of lay-by that we were recording the review in, and kind of it was in a bit where he couldn't see it, so he was reversing, ready to get out, and he ended up reversing into the tripod, and one of the legs actually snapped off. So we managed to fix it, but I'm not going to touch that thing for a while in case it breaks again. Because yeah, I don't want it to break again. If it does, I'll probably get a new one, but yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Otherwise I would be using my tripod for this video. But anyway, here is the bike stand. Henme, it looks like. Never heard of that, but okay. So you got little... Does it come with instructions? Here's my question. I don't think it does. So that might be interesting. I might have to put down the camera, figure out how I'm going to do this, and then get back to you guys. But anyway, we've got this. Oh, it comes with Allen keys, which is good. You always need spare Allen keys. A couple of screws. So it looks like it might be quite simple. I think... Oh. I think we might need to loosen this bolt here to undo that, and put it round and then tighten it up again. That's what I'm thinking. But I guess it kind of goes like that. Anyway, I'm going to have to start to figure out how we're going to do this, and I'll get back to you guys when I find out. Okay guys, so I think that I've worked out how to do this. I had to look up the instructions online. I had some online instructions. Might be a bit hard to do it with the camera, but basically this little hole here, there we go, you can see that. I have to loosen that, put it around here, and adjust it to the length I need. Apparently it's length adjustable. But anyway, I need to do that, and that should sit around there, and then it can fold up, apparently. So I'm going to have a go at that, because it would be very hard for me to do it on camera, and I'll catch you guys when I've done it. Okay guys, so we got one screw in. There's 3 screws. One that I've done here, then we have another one here, then one more down there. Hang on a minute. Yeah, my brightness on my phone is really down. Anyway, so here's what it's going to look like. Basically, this retracts here. It pulls up when you're done, and I had to adjust the length of it quite long because my frame bar here is quite high up from the ground for a bike. So I had to adjust it. See, I have a little adjustment here. It took me a while to get the perfect angle. Yeah, sorry about it. It's really dirty again. I've been on quite a few rides, but yeah, that's I'm going to try and do the rest on camera because it wasn't as hard as I thought. I've got 2 more screws here. Put one on the floor. I've got a little mat down here that I'm sat on, don't want to get dirty. I'm a bit like that actually. I don't, when it comes to doing stuff like this, I don't mind getting my hands dirty, but I don't like you know, getting the rest of my clothes dirty and stuff. It's a bit more stiff, this one, so I start it off by putting it in my hand here, make sure the bottom of it is still down there. I would recommend this stand to most people. The only complaint I have about it is that it doesn't come with instructions. Now, where is the Allen key is the question here. Right, there we go. Yeah, the only thing is it doesn't come with instructions. It's the only other thing I would have liked. Oh, we're moving down. Oh god, here we go. Where's that gone now then? Under my foot. This is what I mean about filming whilst you're doing it. The tripod would have been better, but I don't want to risk it breaking. This is quite a tedious process. You can... The only thing with Allen keys is they don't really... Well, with this particular one, it's the right size, but they haven't made it kind of the exact amount that you would need. So I think what I'm going to do actually is start putting this one in, because if I put this one in, it should hopefully tighten the whole thing to make it just a bit tighter. So if I put the Allen key... Nope. I'm trying to put it somewhere, not on the ground. Okay, let's put it on my pedal. Right. Oh, this is a little bit stiff. keeps on moving down a little bit. Thing is, with these last two, I have to do bit by bit on both of them. If I just do one, it's going to not be in the right place for this other one to do. Alright. I think you get the idea, guys, so I'm going to catch you when I've finished this. So guys, I've done the stand, and basically it was a little bit fiddly, but you have to find your exact measurements and get it exactly right. But these little plastic things, they give you a couple of rubber seals that make the whole thing just a little bit tighter. So I had to put one in. You either have none, or you have one, or you have two, depending on how thick this is. This is some kind of medium, so I put one in. But anyway, if I demonstrate. Oh, got out of focus. Look, this comes down like that. These handlebars, I might get some new handlebars, I'm not sure. Yeah, and there we go. So that helped me a lot on journeys, but it's a little bit fiddly to fit, but once you've done it, it's good. I might go for a little ride this afternoon if I get this other present kind of sorted out. I might do another video today on that, depends. But let's move on to the light. Alright guys, I'm gonna unbox this light with one hand. Again, obviously very skilled at this. I still haven't quite figured out the best way to do it on camera, even though I've had, it's my year's anniversary of YouTube in I believe it is start of February or end of January, so that's coming up soon. Right, there we go. This one actually comes with instructions. Can any of you read that? It seems to be all in Chinese. Oh no, here we go, look. You got English from the other side, which is good. But anyway, this works by having a little remote on your handlebars. So when, instead of putting your hand out, you go left or right. So it comes with a little clip, charging cable. Put all my rubbish there. The actual light itself. A couple more clips to fit stuff. I have to work out where all that goes. That's for this, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, there's a little remote. See, it lights up. I'll show you guys without fitting it what it does in a minute. Box is empty. So basically, you have your on button. You saw that probably flash. Remote. Oh, it's this way then. There we go. Right. And then LED is your normal light. Or you can have it flashing like that. So yeah, that's all your modes. I think this is very cool. Let's check this off. There we go. It is off. Obviously I need to replace the batteries in this every now and then. But let's see if it tells us. It just says us. Okay, so what are we looking at? Just let me read this. Okay, it doesn't tell you how to fit it. So no proper instructions again, but I'm sure we can work out how to fit this thing. I wonder, just bear with me a minute, if this goes on here. No, it does not. So if you leave me to figure out how everything clips on, I get back to you guys when I've done that. There's a police car go by, guys, sorry about that, but I managed to do this. You have this little clip on the back here, which clips in, and you have these little rubber things that should go around your handlebars. Then you have the light, which I believe this little bracket down here should go in this. So if I try to do that, maybe. I'm getting a bit of a cold, I think, guys. At least I didn't have it for Christmas, I guess. Well, it probably isn't the best thing for me to be out here in the cold this morning, but I wanted to get this done, so I'm out here now. Anyway, let's try put this on here. I'm not having much luck at the moment, so once again, whoa, yeah, camera on this thing's a bit weird. Bye. It only took me a few more minutes, guys, to get this done. I didn't need the other one of these, so I put that back in there. I got a clean up to do after this. But anyway, there's your little light. Clips on, like, basically a normal light. Obviously, I would take it off. Let's turn it on a minute. I would take it off when I park up, because someone could easily take this off. The same with the remote. But anyway, let's see if it's going to work for us. If we put on left turn. Ah, it seems that I got it round the wrong way, so let's quickly sort that out. Right, that should look. Whoa, what are you doing? Okay, we're having problems with the stand. Whoa. Yeah, this bike can be a bit spazzy sometimes. Anyway, here we go. There's your light. Let's try right turn. Isn't that so cool? And then let's put on LED. Normal LED is there. Let's put on flashing LED. So anyway, that's just about going to wrap up the video, guys. I can't speak. Turn that off. So yeah, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys have a lovely new year. If I don't see you guys in a video before then, but hopefully I will. And hope you had a lovely Christmas, whatever you celebrate at this time of year. So just hope you had lovely holidays. I've got still over a week off school, so hopefully I should get a few videos out for you guys. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown